Pittsburgh Bay Point train now approaching platform 2. 9-car Richmond train in 3 minutes.
My first law. Everybody perseveres in its state of being at rest.
6-car Pittsburgh Bay Point train now boarding platform 2.
Or of moving uniformly straight forward, except insofar as it is compelled to change its state by forces in breast.
Oh, shit, sorry.
Here, let me.
I got it.
Sorry.
The doors are closing. Please stand clear of the doors.
Are you enjoying that look?
Hard to tell. People keep interrupting me to ask me if I'm enjoying it.
Sorry, I just meant...
Oh, no, I'm sorry. It's just been that kind of day.
Yes.
That kind of year.
That kind of universe.
9-car Richmond train in 2 minutes.
Madam, I'm Adam.
Adam. Oh, God.
What?
This is just stupid. Eve.
What?
My name is Eve.
Oh, got any apples?
Really?
I was just ribbing you? Oh.
My third law. The action of any two bodies upon each other is always equal and always opposite in direction.
What on earth just happened? Nothing that makes sense. A flash of past attraction, too much present tense. Pure coincidence, and there's no reason for this feeling. And now the moment's gone, nothing's going on. So why am I electrified?
What the hell just happened? Give me a break. Just watch where you're going. Why'd you have to make such a dumb mistake? Because for every action, there's an equal and an opposite one. For every action, there's something else we might have done. And I just gotta let this go.
9-car Richmond train now approaching
Why do
platform 2.
I feel frantic? No need to freak out.
What's all this romantic comedy bullshit all about? All I know is there's no doubt that for every action,
There's an equal and an opposite one.
for every action,
There's something else we should have done.
I should just stop thinking.
9-car Richmond train now boarding platform 2.
I've got no excuses.
I don't need to hide.
I'll never see her again.
Hold on to your pride.
Keep those feelings locked inside. 'Cause for every action, there's an equal and an opposite one. For every action, there's something else we should have done. This is going nowhere.
I don't know why I still care.
For every action, an equal and an opposite one.
The doors are closing. Please stand clear of the doors.
Guten Abend. I am Max Planck, originator of quantum theory. The idea that at subatomic levels, electromagnetic energy can be emitted only in quantized form. That is, discontinuously, in packets.
Hello. Hello. Adam.
You remembered.
How could I forget?
Well, fancy us meeting again. Must be fate.
Stop right there.
What's the matter?
As a man who has devoted his whole life to the study of matter, I can tell you, as a result of my research about atoms, this much. There is no matter
There's no such thing as fate.
as such.
I beg your pardon?
Fate. No such thing. We're merely a random collection of cells and proteins in a godless chaos universe. As a species, we're prone to attach meaning to coincidence, but for me, that's just a basic superstition.
I agree, more or less.
Good.
Science cannot solve the ultimate mystery of nature. That is because we ourselves are part of nature, and therefore part of the mystery we are trying to solve.
For instance, did you know that it only takes a group of 23 people for there to be a 50% chance that 2 of them will share a birthday?
Look, I feel like we've gotten off on the wrong foot. Twice now. And I only have the 2. It seems that circumstance, coincidence, whatever you want to call it, has forced us together. You are the Dr. E. Lee I was supposed to meet here on the 5th floor. I am the Haddon Ray you were presumably expecting. Well, or not. But we'll be working together here at SETI for at least the next 6 months, so can we please be friends? Or at the very least, pretend to be?
I'm sorry. Was I really that terrifying?
More so.
I was trying not to be.
Well, I'm a wimp.
And I'm a macho.
That has to be the nerdiest joke I've ever heard.
Stick around. Plenty more where that came from. I'm just glad you got it.
Are there people who don't?
You don't get out much, do you?
That was a joke too.
We cannot assume that any physical laws exist, or that they have existed up until now, that they will continue to exist in a similar manner in the future.
When's your birthday?
What?
You brought up the birthday paradox. Of course, as I'm sure you're aware, the number goes up if your birthday's February 29th.
No.
Really? That's
No, get
unbelievable.
right out.
Sure thing.
Not literally.
I know, but I have to go check in with HR.
A coincidence can be a big coincidence.
Yes.
And any further coincidences are just
It's just coincidental.
only more so.
Right.
Right.
All matter originates and exists by virtue of a force only. At subatomic levels, it brings the particle of a vibration to vibration. That is. So this what happens here then. We must believe that the existence of a conscious and intelligent mind.
Welcome to SETI.
Thanks. Holy shit.
So much first for the fact that they don't fit.
Keep yourself together, keep yourself intact.
Don't get too excited now, don't overreact. This is just coincidence, you know it's a fact that
Any number of things,
can happen.
any number of things,
You see,
any number of things,
you're looking for the
any number of things can be.
Don't let improbability fool you.
eliminate impossibles or they will control you.
Only allow what's real to rule you, or any number of things can happen. Any number of things could be. Any number of things, though you're not looking for them. Any number of things could be.
And I
Don't need
anything unplanned. My
life
life
is
is
fine,
fine,
just
the way things stand.
stand.
Story's cute to feel like I'm shy, but I ain't looking for a guy.
And there's no need to assume that just because we'll share a room that
Any number of things could happen. Any number of things.
could be.
Any number of things. So you're not looking for them. Any number of things.
Might be.
And no chance shouldn't make up your mind.
You got your constant define.
Otherwise, you just might find that any number of things could happen. Any number of things. Just wait and see. Any number. Oh, any number of things. Any number of things.
Hi, yes. I'm Edwin Hubble. In 1924, I discovered that there were galaxies beyond our own, thereby changing our perception of the structure of our universe. Then, in 1929, I formulated the redshift distance law of galaxies, which helped confirm the Big Bang theory. The history of astronomy is a history of receding horizons.
Taxi!
Oakland Airport and hurry, please.
We can make it.
We're fucked.
We'll catch the next flight.
You're reporting.
We'll be fine.
Why are you so goddamn optimistic? Can't you go any faster?
The greater the distance between any two galaxies, the greater their relative speed of separation.
What are you smirking at?
I just really appreciate this opportunity of seeing you at your best.
I swear I will push you out of this fucking cab.
Look, I get it. It's a big, important presentation. But why worry about things beyond our control? We're just along for the ride at this point. Literally.
The meaning of good and evil, of joy and sorrow, of beauty, justice, success, all of these are purely private convictions. They remain peculiar to the individual, and there exists no method by which universal understanding can be achieved. About all we can say in the ways of communication is to expose others to vicarious experience in the hopes of a favorable response.
On my way, I'm taking off and finally today. Life's making offers that I can't refuse. I have nothing to lose. I'm on my way.
On my way, accepting out and it'll be okay. Accepting down is just so hard for me, but I'm starting to see I'm on my way. On my way,
Going places getting far away. From all the things that make me say I'm here to stay. Now I'm on my way. On my way, I'm flying high and I just wanna say that I'm delighted and indeed that I'm so happy to find I'm on my way. I'm on my way and she's beside me. Couldn't ask for more. I need to know the score. But before I open the door, and I am on my way. On my way, going places getting far away. From all the things that made me say I'm here to stay. Now I'm on my way.
You're on my way. At the last dim horizon, we search among ghostly errors of observation for landmarks that are scarcely more substantial. The search will continue. The urge is older than history. It is not satisfied, and it will not be oppressed. The universe is unfolding as it should.
Guten Tag! My name is Erwin Schrödinger. You recognize me, perhaps? What is in this box? Can anyone tell me?
Eine Katze.
Oh, a cat. Oh, thank you, Einstein. So, tell me, how is it you have come to know this? You have seen this box before.
Nein,
Oh, you have X-ray eyes.
natürlich nicht.
Oh, you are some kind of wizard.
You wrote me a letter.
Well then, this cat, is she alive or is she dead?
Oh, the answer, of course, is yes. This answer is, of course,
Stupid. Well, if you are flying blue
and you don't know what to do.
and you're getting peeved because you can't believe in what you once thought was true, here is one way out.
Have your post-existential doubt. Give it a go, cause it will show what the world is all about, or not.
Just put cat in a box.
A shepherd cat in a box.
Tiger counter.
Winter flask containing toxin.
Gas that we break.
If just one atom decays, hooray!
A Tuesday cat in a box.
Now your cat's both live or dead.
Or so Copenhagen said.
All the
Probabilities are ambivalently spread.
This may seem kind of cruel.
Oh, please, I am no ghoul. This experiment's only mental, so everything is cool.
Or hot.
Just put a cat in a box.
A mixed up cat in a box.
It's such a tease.
The Siamese
Heterodoxy.
like Shakespeare you see.
Tabby or not tabby? A cat in a box. Wow! You may feel some distress when the psi function's expressed.
Birch of felines, XYZ lines, a tangled swimming mess.
Oh, come on now, you know it's how your pussy want to go. So subliminal is quantum
calicosmonaut. You get it?
They don't really get it.
I'm just kidding around.
You cat in a box.
Aren't you sealed up the box?
Interesting, perhaps you think to call a cat.
Toxin!
You don't have to call the police.
Hey, sign the release.
Police, a Tuesday cat in a box. I am that cat in a box. You are the cat in a box. A cat with socks,
Ears like smocks.
box and toxin. Rocks in a box. A paradox in a box.
We're
all
all
just
just
a cat in a box.
Oh yeah,
we're all just cats in a box. Meow.
Six-car San Francisco Airport train in 2 minutes. 8-car Fremont train in 8 minutes.
Cosmic history consists of repeating cycles of evolution.
Each cycle begins with a bang, but the bang is not the beginning of space or time.
Rather, it is an event with a before and an after that can be described by the law of physics. Each cycle influences the next.
We gotta stop meeting like this.
I don't know, I should have told you this earlier, but
Told me.
God, why is this so hard?
What's up?
I got a promotion, sort of, to the National Academy of Sciences
That's great! Congratulations!
in Washington, D.C. And the thing is, I'm sort of leaving, well, now.
Oh.
There is a story within the story, an uncertain yet pivotal moment.
When a nascent idea just bursts upon the scene and the outcome is not yet known.
Thanks for letting me borrow this.
Did you enjoy it?
I didn't actually finish it.
Did people keep interrupting you to ask you if you were enjoying it?
Not till now.
6-car San Francisco Airport train now approaching. Platform 1.
This is my train.
I can take this
No,
one.
don't. It's better this way.
The events which are occurring today will influence the shape of the universe in the cycle to come.
Perhaps space and time sprung into being many cycles ago.
But it is also possible that they are literally endless.
Keep it.
What?
The book, you should finish it, I think.
Okay, I think.
And let me know how it ends.
You didn't finish it.
Joke.
Dork.
Guilty.
6-car San Francisco Airport train now boarding. Platform 1.
We'll always have Paris.
Here's looking at you, kid.
The doors are closing. Please stand clear of the doors.
This is not the end of the story.
Just as where we started was not the beginning.
While we share this moment,
In some other dimension we cannot perceive.
the movement begins anew.
The only sure thing we can say is,
Shit! Sorry!
It's okay, no worries. Here, let me.
No one knows what will happen next. From the edge of all perception comes a signal flare of light.
a steady pulsing rhythm through the darkness of the night.
And for one flickering moment, I believe that there just might be intelligent life out in the universe. Is it all illusion? Can I truly say I see what I think I do, or am I only wishing it to be? A sign that says there's more to this than simply you and me, that there's intelligent life out in the universe.
And everything
That we discover
Just leads to another
question of what lies behind, of what else we might find. A life,
a world,
a mind, every type of matter, supercluster down to quark, has conspired until this moment to keep us in the dark.
Now I've had this vision line so
cosmic Joan of Arc
Of intelligent life out in the universe.
aside all narrative
And force causality of consciousness reaching from the farthest galaxy. There's no need to expect that as it was, so shall it be. If there's intelligent life out in the universe.
and everything
That we discover
just leads to another
question of what lies above.